I will be unboxing the iPhone 11 Pro.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I will be unboxing the iPhone 11 Pro. I'm so excited, you guys. I've been waiting to open this bad boy up. Ooh, it almost slipped out my hand. I've been waiting to open up this bad boy since 3 weeks. Y'all, I've been waiting 3 weeks to open this up. I got this in Orlando when I was out of town on vacation. Y'all, just been holding on, but I've been so busy. I haven't did it, and then I wanted to film a video, and then I finally got me a new camera. Listen, it was just so much, but we will be unboxing the iPhone 11 Pro. But before we start this video, I would like to say that I am doing a giveaway. I will be giving away the Miss Dior perfume. For all my ladies out there, you want to smell it, listen. I will be giving this away, and then I will be giving away as well $100. That's right, $100. Yo, I'm so goofy. $100. In order to enter this giveaway, all I need you to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel and comment your favorite color. My favorite color is pink, as you can tell. This video you definitely gonna tell, but my favorite color is pink. Comment your favorite color down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you'll be entered in the giveaway. All I'm gonna do is just pick a random person and put them up on the screen. Before I unbox my iPhone 11 Pro, I want to show y'all some things that I got for my phone, some accessories. So most of these cases come from Velvet Caviar. Velvet Caviar, thank you so much for these cases. They all came on time and everything, y'all. I really like Velvet Caviar. I think this is like my 5th time ordering cases from them, but y'all, they're so good. This first case that I got is Coffee Me Please, and it has like little coffees on it. You guys, it's so cute, and it has like little gold detailing around the coffees. They are so cute, and I love me some iced coffee. Comment down, like this video, and comment your favorite iced coffee like y'all like to make it with. Mine's is Starbucks. I can show you how to make that. It's so good. But yes, listen, let me know if you like hot coffee or iced coffee. Put me on some coffees too, because I only stick with one, literally. But yes, I love coffee, so I got a coffee case. So cute. Another case that I got is this case, and it says bossy on it because I'm a boss and I'm a Leo, so we bossy, period. But this says bossy on it, y'all. I think this and another case that I'm about to show y'all, I don't know which ones out of these, but I'm definitely putting on one of these. They are so cute, and I really love this bossy. And it has like, what is it, 𝚆𝙸𝙻𝙻, whatever, the holographic, my stupid ass, holographic around the letters. But it is so cute. I really like it. This is so cute. Another case that I got is, it's really popular too, and it says don't touch me. I don't know if you guys seen this on there. It says don't touch me on it. It is so pretty. They have another one that says don't fucking touch me with a heart around it. All of these are so freaking bomb, but I really like this case, so I don't know if I want to put this one on or the next one. Comment down below which one, but most of the time I'll probably figure out which one. But those are all the cases that I bought from Velvet Caviar. They just sent me some stickers, which is so cute, and a little, and a screen wipe. Let's get into unboxing my 11 Pro. This is the iPhone 12 Pro in gold. I don't think I told you guys the color, so it is in gold. The packaging the boxing is way much different. It's like more slimmer. Usually we have these big bulky boxes, and this time it is a really thin. Like, oh my gosh, I wish I would have brought a box, because I do keep my boxes. I'm that type of person, man. I keep my boxes, but as you can see, it's so slim. So this is the boxing. I'm just take it out, and the box is extremely matte. Taking it apart. Y'all look. She's so beautiful. Oh my gosh, y'all, this is my first like impression. I have not opened this box at all. This is so cute. Okay. Y'all, I don't even want to take it out. Like, look. She's so cute. Okay, so I'm just going to take it out. Oh shit. Okay, so this is the phone. So before we get into that, I'm just gonna put it to the side. Okay, so we have our adapter, our charger, and I know the man asked me did I want a box, which is the lightning, the fast one. I already have it because I do have the 11 Pro. So this is really nice. I can't wait, no lie y'all, I can't wait for them to change it like this, like this part, how like the MacBooks are, like the new MacBooks, like this, like for this part, like both of them be the same. But I don't know, we'll see. And then they also gave me the regular deck. Oh shoot, they give me something for me. Oh, this is so nice. Y'all, I was gonna use my earring because to transfer my thing, I already backed up my phone already, so I could just go ahead and put it in there. And they gave you Apple stickers. I feel like I have stickers. I'm gonna leave this out because I definitely need it. Now we could get to the iPhone. Okay, so you have your thingies, your on and off, your phone if you want the phone on, regular button. This part, what the fuck is this? But we have our charging part. Y'all, it's so cute. And this part is matte. Oh wow, this is so nice, y'all. Okay, so this is it. Oh, so what is this? Y'all gotta find out what this is. I really want to know what this is, because the thing to take out the SIM and replace the SIM, oh look at my fingerprints, is on this side. Y'all, this is so cute. I love it so much. I like this. Will give me like an oatmeal color, like a nude oatmeal. Oh, it's so cute, so cute. Okay, y'all, I opened my phone. Look, she's beautiful. Wow, she's beautiful. Okay, so I'm just going to transfer everything, and then I'll get back into it. Look at my ring light. Oh shit, I thought y'all could see it. But I'm just gonna transfer everything to this phone, so I'll be right back. I still don't know what case I want to put on my phone, but I'm gonna try all of them on. So this is how the bossy looks with it. Okay, so this is the coffee one in the gold, which is so cute. Like, it's very sleek. This is the coffee one in the gold. I think I'm gonna wear the coffee one. It's giving me like, hello, how you doing? This is so cute, you guys. This is so cute. Okay, and I'm gonna try the other one. So this is the Don't Touch Me. Y'all, it's so cute. And these, I can honestly tell these are really good quality cases. This ain't even a sponsorship, and I'm hooking y'all up of it. But y'all, these cases are like, girl, look at my thumb. It's fucking red and pruny from trying to take them off and put them on. But y'all, this is so cute and very sleek. It is so cute. I think they're so cute. So these are all 3 cases that I got. I didn't turn my phone on. I'm scared to see what it might do, but I don't think it's gonna do anything. But I'm gonna try turning it on. Yes, it came on. Hello. So I'm gonna set up my iPhone, y'all. But yeah, I'm gonna set up my iPhone, but I'm really satisfied with all the cases that I picked out. And these are the cases. So y'all, this is the Velvet Caviar. I really like the cases. I really like the cases. I honestly still don't know which one I'm going to do. Y'all might leave this one on. Yeah, I'm really satisfied with all the cases that I've gotten. I'm so happy with my new iPhone. Yeah, I'm so happy with my new iPhone. It's so cute. So, but yes, y'all. So, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like for more videos. Even suggest some videos down below. I can definitely do a what's on my iPhone. I do have some more stuff planned for you guys. So, just keep watching. So, yeah. Thank you for tuning into this video.